Oh, yes, 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 yes. Welcome once again to Forex Slow Money Club. I am your boy, ah, Mr. Slow Money himself. So, these are some of the rules that I use when I'm trading a $5 account. Again, this seems like a no-brainer, but trust me, we have to go over them. Um, Number one, don't lose money. Okay? So, with that being said, that means with a $5 account, even if the devil is tempting you with giving you the riches of the whole world like he did to Jesus Christ, I'm telling you, 0.01 lot size, do not think, just use that, okay? 0.01. Because when you're trading with the $5 account, okay, your first priority is to protect the capital. In case you are wrong, which is going to be there, those cases where you are wrong, what is your risk? And what is the reward, I would say. Some risks are not worth it, even though for my case, I take some of them to just grow the account. Just take the trade, grow account, that's it. But rule number one, don't lose money, which means when you are using the lot size, 0.01. Why? Because in case you are wrong, you want to minimize on the losses. Objective number one, don't lose money. Objective number two, minimize the loss. Because you don't want to blow the $5. Okay? You don't. And one way to go about that is without thinking, just use 0.01. Of course, on different instruments and pairs, that 0.01 changes in weight, I would say. For example, 0.01 on US 100 is different from US 30, is different from US 500. It's also different on gold. It's also different on currencies. So 0.01, protect capital, lose as least as possible. Why? This is a key. Those rules are made with a simple understanding. All you need to double your account or more than triple your account, especially if you're trading a $5 account, is one trade of 0.01. All you need to double and increase that account. You don't need 0.02, 0.03 on what. Oh yes, you can stack it up if you have a trade and it's going for you. But if it's not, please, 0.01, protect capital, reduce losses. In case you are wrong, it won't be that bad. Okay, so these rules also I borrowed from the prop fund challenge principles. Number one, if you're trading a prop fund, you have a daily drawdown. So now when I'm trading a $5 account, I also have a daily drawdown of $4. Okay, so maximum I want to be taking two trades with two trades max of $2 each. $2 each. So if I'm wrong on that day, I will lose $4, and that is enough for me to close off for the day. If I lose two trades, I am done for the day. Of $2, that means I've blown $4 and I'm done. So once I go to 0.01, and all those things normally happen when I'm trading gold. So with the Forex Slow Money, gold, go in cautiously. In fact, with $5, preferably you should avoid. Then grow it up a bit, then you go back. But with five, try out other instruments first. Get a little bit of cushion, and then you can go to gold. Because in case you are wrong, then you can do like you can risk $2.5. You're wrong, then you go again. But if you have $5 and you go on gold and you're wrong, you have two tries and your account is gone. So if you're starting out with the $5, gold preferably, give it a rest. Okay, so you have reduced the losses. You're protecting your capital. The first goal when you're trading a $5 account is to get it to $15, $20. Okay, remember, all you need is one trade, guys, one trade. This is as I don't know, a very simple concept. All you need is one trade of 0.01. Okay, to double, more than double, make 20%, make 40%, make 50%, make 80% of your account. All I need on a US 100 is 0.01. I can make $3. Okay. On gold, 0.01 can get you 20, 30, 40 when you catch the trade. So all you need is one trade. If you're going to try this, highly risky, highly unadvisable. But if you're crazy enough, so give it a shot. Okay. So first goal is to get it to 20. Why? 20 to $15, $15 to $20 gives you the cushion you need now to go to those volatile ones like gold, meaning you can risk $2.5 4 times, and okay, I've blown $10. I still have 10 to. Then you can build it up. So I'm still figuring this out. But you want to concentrate on the best trading setups. Now, again, as I told you, I'm a beginner intermediate trader. So you want to, my idea, initially, you have to understand this. Initially, the idea of starting with a $5 account is a $5 account is better than a demo account. When you're trading on a demo account and you're learning to trade Forex, it's very easy. You're emotionless. Win or lose, you will judge the strategy, you will judge entry, all that. But you're not emotionally in. Therefore, the $5 account, $10, $20, $30, $50, those are the alternative. Okay? Why? Because trading is a very risky business. You're going to lose money. So I would rather blow a $5 account than $500 account. So that's why I want to keep it as little as possible with $5 and that learning process. And you will see, I'm going to be making some money and I'm going to be losing some money, even though I don't know anything that much. But that's the whole thing. You don't need to know everything. You have to have a working plan as you learn. Pole, gradually. Slow money. It's not about being right. It's not about knowing stuff. It's about working on a working model. And for the best setups, guys, I recommend Stacy Bach. Stacy Bach. I think that should be his name. You should check out his channel, Stacy Bach Trading. This guy gives templates and setups. He breaks them down in a way that are very easy to understand. So I'm going to link his channel in the description below. Give it a try. So if you are new, like you don't know anything, zero, you're starting with trading, I also recommend Urban Forex. Okay, Urban Forex by Naveen something. I am not sure with the second name. But why I like Naveen is the fact that I think he's Indian, somewhere from the Middle East there. He's not, he doesn't use English as a first language. You will quickly notice this difference when you use Stacy Bach Trading and Urban Forex. Now, Naveen uses English as a second language, I would say. So when he's explaining concepts, there's a way he uses English to communicate to a non-English speaking person. So for me, when I'm going through the content, I find it a little bit easier to understand what he's saying. But for the setups, again, Stacy Bach Trading. I've never seen someone explain stuff that and make sense to me that way. Like, it's so detailed. I like it. So best trade setups during the timing window, meaning you'll see with Stacy Bach will explain it better. During the 3 hours of each session, Asia, We are talking about 3 a.m. to around 7 a.m. Yeah, 4, 5, 6, yeah, 6 a.m. London 11 a.m. Ugandan time to 1 p.m. New York 4 p.m. to what? 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 p.m. So during that window, what does that help you to do? It helps you not to be trading trades unnecessarily in between those times. So again, remember, back to rule number 1, protect capital. By reducing the number of times you are trading, you are protecting capital. Good. Again, all these I'm going to link in the description below. So the key to trading a $5 account is not to become a billionaire. It's to learn Forex with emotions. With that, when you master your setups, you find it so easy to trade, because with a $5 account, if you are wrong, you're going to blow the $5. And $5 a day's wage in my country. So that's too much to lose for a day. So those are a little bit of the rules that I use. Obviously, I'm making more as I go along. So I've written some notes down in case you see me looking down. One last one I'd forgotten. Guys, the days that you do not trade are successful. Very successful days. Very successful days. Very successful. Because for me, if I don't trade that day, it's better than me making $50 and losing $50. Why? Because the emotional bank account is going down with the more trades you take. So rather not take trades, protect your capital and your emotional bank account. So if you're crazy enough to follow me in the journey, there is a link to the Telegram group, so we can keep in there having a discussion of YouTube. But most importantly, I also have a a link to the $5 account broker. HFM can allow you to start with as little as $5. If you want to start up with 10 or more, I also have Exness. You can try out Exness. It starts with as little as $10. Yes. So if you like what you hear, you have suggestions that could change up the rules and give you an upper hand, please go down in the comments and let me know. Again, now, what I have discovered these 2 weeks, the US 100, the US 50, and the US 500, US 100, and the US 30, the indices, I love them. I love them because their people value is so small. Okay, their 0.1 is so small. So when I'm trading on them, I can risk $0.2, 0.3, 0.5, but with a target of $1, $2, $3+ So when you are starting out, you should give them some love. They will help you out. Risk as little as 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 with big upside. And in case you are right, you stack up your position, you size up. That is if you're following the best trade setups. Not every setup is scalable. You will learn that very fast. And if you stack up the trades, just know if the trade goes against you, likelihood of blowing your account is very high. So I think that is it. If you are a fresh beginner, avoid gold at all circumstances. You rather perfect the trading setups with other instruments, then come back to gold after you're being efficient. So, slow money trading rules, ladies and gentlemen. Trading a $5 account. If you are crazy enough to join the journey, try it out. Use the links in the description. Of course, when you use those links in the description, they will know you're coming from me and they will give me some love as well. Help me finance this dream. But understand, trading is hard. You're going to lose money. And in case you lose money, don't tell them that I told you. You should be able to make your own independent decision. But those are the risks. Worst case scenario, you blow $5. Best case scenario, you learn how to make more from $5. So all you need is as little as 5. That's how I like to look at it. In the next video, I would like to break down my growth plan. So until we see each other again, auf Wiedersehen.